In JavaScript, map function iterates an array and applies a given function to all elements of the array. For example, here, we have an integer array with 5 elements. If we want to multiply each of these elements with 10, we can pass the multiplication function to map. The map function will apply it to each element of the array and return a new array without modifying original array. Let's see this in action. Here, we have an integer array called prices, and we want to increase each price by 100. To do so, we can use map. When we call map on this array, we have to pass a function to it as a parameter. Map will iterate the prices array and pass each element to this function one by one. Let's receive the array element in the parameter called price. Let log price on console to confirm that we receive each price from the prices array one at a time. So, when we run the code, we can see each element on the console on a separate line. Let's now add 100 to the price and return it. We know that map returns a new array. Let's save it to increase prices and see the contents of this new array. We can see that new array has all elements from the prices array increased by 100. That's how map works. It iterates the array, passes each element of the array to our function, and stores items returned by our function into a new array. At the end, it returns the new array which has exactly the same size as the original array. Let's simplify the syntax as arrow function does not need a return if there is only one statement in the function body. It by default returns its value. Also, we don't need brackets if there is only one parameter of the function. Let's run the code once more to verify that it works as before. Now, what if we only want to increase the prices of the products whose original prices are greater than 20? We can simply use the ternary operator and return increased price when the original price is greater than 20. Otherwise, we can simply return the original price as it is. When we run the code, we can see that the prices of the last 3 elements of the original array have increased in the new array. First 2 elements, 10 and 20, are same. Here comes another interesting scenario. What if we want the new array to contain only the increased prices? That is, we don't want 10 and 20 in the increased prices array. We can use filter method along with map to get the desired output. Applying filter on prices array, we get the array of the elements which has prices greater than 20. We can then chain the map method to apply it on the array returned by filter. Since the array returned by filter already has items greater than 20, we don't need to apply the condition on price inside the function body of the map. We only increase the values by 100 in return. Let's store the array returned by the chain of methods and log it to console to see its contents. We can see that only the last 3 elements from the original array are filtered and increased by 100. Hope you liked the content. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to support our channel. Thanks for being part of our journey.